Hello and welcome to my another vlog. And in this vlog, I'm gonna talk about my first ever camera I brought when I thought of starting my traveling career and content creation to the another level. So, first of all, this is not a sponsored vlog, and I'm just doing because so many people ask me that what camera I use and what is a good camera for a beginner. Also, when I was planning to buy my camera, it was very difficult for me to get the right set of camera within a right budget. So here I come across. Here I'll talk about all the camera gears currently I'm using right now to make my videos, reels, and etc. Trust me, this is going to be a genuine vlog which I brought by my own in last 1 year. So yeah, let's get started with full-fledged mirrorless camera, and here I have this Canon one. Before starting, let's have a look at the features. Let me show you some quick specification of this camera so that it will be easy for you to understand your requirement and why it's good for you. So you can do a 4K video shooting with this. You will get a flip screen so you can easily vlog with this. It has a very built-in autofocus quality, which I love the most. Like anywhere you can easily showcase your product or your location, or if you are doing a vlog, it is a good. Also, you can do a live streaming with this. So let's back. So I got this camera for around 60K, including this lens, and this turn out, like, I did a lot of research about it, like which can be a good camera, which is under budget, also like very full of utility and everything I can do, like such as vlogging and making reels and making photos, even everything. So I come across so many cameras such as Sony ZV and some other cameras, Nikon as well, but I don't know why. uh, Previous to this, I used to use my first camera was also Canon, so I was kind of inclined towards Canon, and everybody knows that Canon has the best picture quality. Also, I believe this is the perception, like whoever is using some sort of camera like Sony and other cameras as well, it's completely depends on your choice. I personally love this. So let's get started with my first ever budget camera, which is a mirrorless camera. And the best part about this camera, which I love the most, is this flip screen. So let me on this for you, and if you can see, if I'm not putting my this, so you can see. So this is easily you can vlog or something like that, and this is the best part. And one thing which, when I was trying to buy it and I tried to compare, in Sony ZV, this mirror is not going to be the touch one, but here you can completely control from this touch screen. That was the best part, and I was impressed. I was convinced myself that okay, I had to buy this camera. Okay, so many features it has. You might know, like you have to just explore a little bit. I'm also learning. I think everybody learns in their different stages of their life. So yeah, so that's like this. With that, let me show you this. I got this lens which is around 15 to 45 millimeter lens. I got this with this camera, so it's better, like if you don't want to invest, like don't want to go for any other sort of lens, so you will get this is the best one. I think for the beginner, this is the best thing you can have with your camera. I mean, you can start with this, no problem at all. So this is completely my first ever mirrorless camera, so I was very excited, and my picture quality and my content quality becomes very much improved as soon as I started using this. So yeah, this is my first ever camera. Sorry. So this is my first ever camera with my lens. Second most important, so I use two mics, and I personally will believe, like during this content creation, I come across one thing, that one thing is very much important for your vlog is to use a very good quality uh,
mic. Although there are so many mics, like Bluetooth mic and so many things you will get in the market, which is very expensive, and I personally I can't afford it right now. Like 30K I can't invest, although I will do it later on, but not now. So I got this very good uh, Mirfec audio. This I got this with my camera only, and this is a very full-fledged, a proper mic which gives a crystal clear view. And this one, which I'm currently using, currently I'm making this vlog with my phone only. So I had to show you this. So I have only this camera, so I thought of making it on my phone and wanted to show you this. With this I use this noise cancellation, so it works perfectly well. I went to Ladakh and other places where which is very windy, even on the cruises where the air is so strong. In that also I get such a good quality, and all this photos I have taken, photos and videos I have taken from my this camera. So it's indeed a great choice for beginners. And the very plus point is you will get it in 60,000 rupees, and with the time, if you want to upgrade your lens, you can easily do it, because this is a detachable lens, and you can use like advanced lens on this. So this is a perfect choice for me. In some time I'm planning even to upgrade my lens, which will give me a better quality of pictures. Yes. So with this it's very crucial to have a mic which gives a proper, because your video will be not so clear tabhi bhi chalega, but you need a very clear voice, and this is currently I'm using. And this mic is for might be there will be some changes in my voice. So this mic I use for my phone, and there is an extension which I'm adding right now to the phone, so I'll show you this in later on. Let me add it first. Okay, my love, GoPro 10. So I invested in GoPro 10, which around last year I brought this, and this was my first ever professional camera apart from the phone, obviously. And this was my hero product. So handy, so good. Even I can make vlogs like this. I got this extension which was around 200 to 300 rupees, and the magic what I can do with this is like this. So I can easily make reels as well while doing any sort of action, or while walking, and while climbing to the mountains, so anything. So this is so compact, and it gives such a great uh, utility I can't explain. So this has always been my favorite. So I invested in this GoPro 10, which is the 10 model. And it's again, the best part about this, you will get the front camera, and the picture qualities and the video qualities are amazing. I can't say, all my underwater shots has been taken from this, and this is turn out to be amazing. So if you are planning to buy a camera, this is a must. Just go for it, a GoPro, and you will never regret. I can assure you that. So this is not a sponsored, but yes, I'm a big fan of this. Third thing, what I use is my iPhone 13, which I'm recording right now. Apart from this, just a minute. I also have a MacBook, but that's not, I find very much handy. So I usually uh, edit things or my vlogs or my videos when I'm at home. But when I'm traveling, I keep this handy, because this is so compact and so small. And this is my iPad, which I use with this uh, extra keypad, which gives me a MacBook wala feel, and I can easily work on this. And if you will see, this is my iPad, which is very easy. It's my iPad, which is very much user friendly, and like I can easily just travel with this anywhere, so no problem at all. So yeah, all these things I use currently. Also there is a tripod which I use. I am going to put link for everything in my description. You can go and buy that. And also, it's not that you have to buy everything. As per my experience, I brought my first this camera, then after 6 months I saved money because it's my hard earned money. And I know how it feels if you are not able to utilize this. So first of all, my personal suggestion, you first decide that whether you need to take it, because if you can see, this whole vlog I did on my phone, and it's a pretty good quality video, so I don't think so there will be any problem. But if you want to take your Instagram videos and your vlogs just level up, then this might require you. So you can start with this, a GoPro, a good quality GoPro, which whatever you will find it in your budget. You can also go for GoPro 8, which is also very good out of from the GoPro range. So I would love it. But when I was planning to buy it, already GoPro 10 aa gaya, so I wanted to invest in this. Yeah. Then once you are very much sure, you should go with a full-fledged camera. And obviously, this is going to be a very best friend. So if you are planning, you can consider this, because I'm just going to, after at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some footages from this camera. That's like you will be impressed by this. So for starting, also one thing I forgot. So many people ask me how you travel alone, solo, and take your pictures. This is the hero product. So I use this. This is hardly, I got it for 150 rupees from Amazon. You will easily get it. So this is a kind of remote. It can easily connect with my GoPro and my camera, even with my phone, and one tripod, one this, and I am all set. I make my videos via this. I take my photos of very good quality of pictures. So this is a hero product. So that's all I have for today, and let's see you in next vlog, some another travel stories. Till then, keep sharing, show me your love, and do let me know what you want to see next in my channel, so that I can make it for you, so that it will help you at any point of time. And just remember, I mostly travel on budget, so you can. So don't forget to follow me, and thank you so much. Keep sharing your love, traveling. I love you.